Oh, it's lovely, so peaceful. Oh gosh, look at that. Just lots of sheep and a few walkers, several dogs. Only one of them came to say hello to me though, which is a little bit disappointing. But yeah, had a little snack, and honestly it just makes me really want dinner now. So yeah, got another maybe hopefully less than half an hour, and then yeah, I can pitch and have dinner. There is a bit of wind. Forecast said about 50 kilometers per hour on the summit of Scafell, but we're going to be between 600 and 700 meters high, whereas Scafell summit is nearly 1,000, so it shouldn't be too bad where we go. If it is too windy, then we've got a backup plan. In the farm campsite at the bottom, we've paid for our car and for 2 tents overnight, so yeah, if it's too bad we'll just drop down there and go camp in the campsite, which honestly has the most spectacular views I've ever seen on a campsite, and I think I might have to go there again. It's exhausting, but my word, is this my happy place. Oh. So you've been here before, Dan?
Well, we're scrambling along up the top of there, trying to find the peak of Scafell.
So that's where we're going tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow morning.
Nice. Whoa. That was a bit of a nightmare getting that tent up. My tent, I don't think is excellent for winds, but at the main tarn, there was 3 different people camping, and we didn't really want to camp close to them, although one guy said he's seen 39 tents here before at Sparkling Tarn, so maybe not one for the height of summer, but there we go, we've got our own like mini tarn. And then the wind has totally died down now. Morning, it's about 6:15 I think. I got out of bed at 6 after putting it off, to be honest. The sun's just coming up, I think sunrise is 5 to 6. Just been to look at the beautiful views, although we're pitched in a little like valley in the shade. I just took a shot as well, the sun is risen on Great End, which we're going round that way to go on Scafell today. So I'm excited for more hiking. The wind did settle about 10 PM until about 1 AM. Thought it was going to be nice and calm. Oh no. There's someone coming to say hello. Hi sheep. Oh, bye sheep. So this is where we've camped. Just looking at the map, and we're at this fork. I should say, to get this map, I have an Ordnance Survey yearly subscription, and it gives you access to all of the OS maps and lets you print custom maps. So it's very handy for trips like this. We made it! The highest peak in England. We're down to about 380 metres now, which is quite wild that we were all the way up there and beyond. Don't know, maybe an hour left to the car. It's just, I can't believe how beautiful it is. Like, I really don't think we could have got better weather, except maybe a little bit less wind. It was probably pushing it a bit as far as safe wind levels go. Destabilised us a few times, but caught us foothold, so it wasn't too bad.